Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to 3D printing, let's say, and you've heard everybody say slicer, or you've never heard the term slicer, and now you're thinking, well, I don't need it for 3D printing. It's some kind of design software. No, my friend. You physically cannot print anything. This isn't an exaggeration. You can't without a slicer. The slicer takes your STL, puts it in G code. That tells the printer where to go to actually build your thing. STL is just 3D modeling, basically. 3D rendering. Now, said, where do I get one? I recommend using Cura. So if you have anything but a Chromebook, now, and if you have Chromebook, don't click off, because there's still a way you can get it. It's just, you can't, click on it. So, if you're not on a Chromebook, just go to Cura's site, download that, go onto your files, double-click it, it'll set everything up. But if you're on a Chromebook, go to your search, open up another tab, and go to YouTube. Search up how to install Cura on a Chromebook, and, well, follow the instructions. Now, if you have any questions on how do I install, for example, how do I install Linux, just come back here, and I'll walk you through it. Now, since you're back here, or you're just back, and if you're back here because you got everything right, okay, just sit through these parts, and it'll be quick. Now, if you're thinking to yourself right now, oh, where in the possible world can I download Linux? So, you go into your settings, you open that up, you search up Linux. It'll say set it up. It'll say setup. You search it, right? It'll say setup, okay? It'll say setup Linux. Well, technically it'll say, I don't know, but just click on do that, okay? Wait for it, and once it's all done, everything, you want to go here. You want to open up a thing called terminal that'll pop up. And you're going to want to, it's going to be like this or whatever, so you're just going to want to drag it so that you can see the lines of code that you're going to need to eventually type in and hit enter. So once you've actually done that, you hit enter and there'll be YN things going along, like do you want to install this? Just hit Y. It'll literally do nothing. Okay. So, after that's done, yeah, you should just, now that you have that, just go there, and just do your stuff, right now, okay? Pause the video, now. Okay, now that you're back, everybody's gonna be like, okay, go on, for, if they just didn't have Chrome. Now that you're back, you got it all there. So you're going to want to go down to Linux, or in your case, just whatever. And you're going to want to do Ultimate Cura. It'll look like that. It'll load up. You might have to wait. And then this will pop up. Okay? So, once you download a STL, you're going to go to your downloads. And I'm just going to, for example, MK4 STL. Just go here, drag that to your Linux files, okay? Let's say Linux files, you do that. Now, I'm gonna go to this little thing right here. You're gonna click, after you have a while of doing this, you're just gonna wanna click home, because that'll be your recents. And then you go to and then you'll search it up, if you have one, or if you didn't search it up, you just go there. you know. So MK4, and then you'll just download that. And in my case, it just did that because it's a little big. So I'm gonna scale it down to 75. And arrange all models. There we go. So now it's like this. Actually, it'll probably just pop up for you. You don't need to do anything. So in my case, I kinda had to do that. Now you'll hit slice. Okay. And you'll wait a bit. You know. If it's a big file, you can solve a Rubik's Cube, whatever. And then obviously it'll pop up and it'll say how many minutes it's gonna take, how many grams, how many meters of filament. That's what the M stands for. And I'm just gonna click save to disk. And I already have something called Lathe, so it's gonna do that. But it'll just successfully do it for you. So it'll just do that. Go through its thing. Then you go into your files, you click Linux files. Just pretend Google Drive right there is the USB device. You'll just want to go to there, just drag it over and pop it back and just release when it's over there. And it'll be in there, and then you just want to go over it. It'll be like a little thing. You just want to eject it, take it out, put it in your printer, go to the print, click on it, click on the thing. It'll say like C3 Max Peg, G-code, C3 Max Altoid, C3 Max Altoid, like Rubik's Cube, whatever. Click on that, you'll click confirm, or it'll just start printing. Depends what printer you have, obviously. And after that, it'll just pop up with a progress bar, or not. Progress bar might be on your like phone or whatever, you know. And that will basically all you have to do then is just sit back, relax, look at more models, look at YouTube, go out, do something, or just do it shit from there. Unless you want to, you know, unless this is really important and you don't know if it's gonna stick, then you're gonna want to stay there so that you can monitor the first layer. But once you have the first layer done, you can see it all throughout the bed, and it's a good first layer, meaning it's stuck on. You're good to go and do something, you know. Go out to a park. Now, this section of the video is dedicated to printer problems. Problems with, you know, printing. So, example, if you have basically a glass or PEI sheet, whatever sheet you have, okay, you're gonna want to get some denatured alcohol. If this is not for plastic. If you have plastic, I don't have plastic one, but from what I know about plastic, I will teach you, okay? And just get that denatured alcohol, whatever. Just spray that, wipe it off with shop towels or microfiber cloth. Wipe it down so all your greasy little oils aren't on the bed, and it'll stick. Now, if you have plastic, get warm water, no soap, and just rub it off with microfiber and dry it with microfiber, okay? You're gonna put it back on, or just watch Maker's Muse, watch anything, okay? Literally anything will help you. And from there, if you have any problems with anything, just go on to Maker's Muse. And if you're having layer shift, which is when your prints get all wonky and like get demorphed, and you know, and you've checked every single thing on your printer and you don't know why, you might want to reload your slicer, because it could be your slicer. My slicer, it's actually a few times when I've had layer shift, it was that problem. It was my slicer. So, I hope this helped, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.